Chibiem Samwa Kwabado Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so yada Apostle Dr. Nite Kotegwa say Edim Kranshan sama odi abreye de du so ne Badwam kase and some no near todwa wo mu bia wo betini make say customs for one more ache enyama boni a som sika 20.6 million Ghana cedi wo eye tamale de honsam no ebebro na fe yakoye mampani John Dramani Mahama akohia Mali mampani ni di nkomo a ebebo ye adwadie ene ayonkofa amapa wa mani mienu ntemeno ne nsem bi na no pay medebro Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwen live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV tube kwadomonline.com sansemi ni bebre so ewo ho faseda Emma Liran collection ntadi ba ko ene hyemi bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said and 70 chemu ankasa etie Customs official one northern region nene one monsa aka eniema bia eni ho kwan se ewo my Ghana emu bi mu de frafra nro dum ni ade no wonsa etumi aka esom sika 20.6 million Ghana cedi na your operational customs division ya wa Ghana Revenue Authority na one mo eye
Sa operation you cause one anton gushegu kwan no eso a eno nti business royal cigarette boxes ahana ne adunum ene tapentador tablet eno so boxes enum ani nyina wosisia eso Ghana cedi opepe adunu echiripo ensia 20.6 million custom for ena monim de so ena ehunu se ehyenyi ede enema etwie famu afahye so akọ oman foforo eso the sent ogoduru gaha gushegu kwan no baby a checkpoint ne wono ena wogina no a woje nieme Nanso ehya osusu se enubone ena womu in registration number JS759213 wanyina a odi mirika etwa mu fa checkpoint ne ho aposifo edi nachi de bra wokoto no 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 hyenkani pese wo be kire de kodi airport ya ewo ehyen no emu okire mu se nipa enema ne ye ne de apɛ ene betimi a kire de wo enaka wodi etu kwan no emu anche ene nipa Oseniema ne yene dia no etena moto so eba ho nanso no so ampese obekasa afaniema no ehu wode hyen no ekosi Tamale collection regional headquarters ya wo ye hwehwemu ne ho ena wotonsa efre wo hyenkani ni nipa enema ne yene dia senka de chia omra nanso amu biye ni hono a osi aposifo no asoye ne senti enema yi eda so ewo Tamale collection regional headquarters a wo ye hwehwemu
Penny John Dramani Mahama call Malimaino Mode Dabako and Akohonsra. Now, woman in crow, Bamakomo and Oway, one man penny next year didn't come on. Come a bit me up, Wama, my me no yonko fano, a gina ye, Nafi, Jediamo, and someone so Akoyi, Cassiano, Etwaso.
We discussed the revival of the Permanent Joint Commission for Cooperation between Mali and Ghana. The last meeting was in 2011. In Accra, and the next meeting was supposed to take place here, but due to some circumstances it didn't happen, and so we're looking to revive it so that as early as possible we can send our technical team to come and sit with our Malian counterparts and discuss how we can increase and strengthen the cooperation that exists between our two countries. We discussed it, and we recognized that there's been some issues of trust, problems with trust between the two groups, but at the same time, I think that we must establish mutual respect.
Enwechi one Ghana phobia akobo won sese wa Bamako nso ehia ansana one mampanyine ekokohia ehon so waka technical joint cooperation framework afimpinu edumienu wo hyase asese akansensemu no ho asem a wo kire hia sese adwumadie wotimi eye ne boa ema adwadie ene won mopese bebie enwuma wo mai mu no nso etimi ekonkan amananso wa obanan eko Dr. Kwame Nkrumah honi kase ya won maye ewo Bamako ewo a wone omanfo bi ekodi enkomo.
For a very long time, our countries trade amongst each other. Our people travel freely amongst each other. There's a big Malian population living in Ghana. They are involved in business. They are settled peacefully in Ghana. They're actually citizens of both Ghana and Mali. And so we had the opportunity to discuss how we can make our economic relations even stronger. And we also have a transit corridor. A lot of long-distance drivers, both Malian and Ghanaians, convey goods from our ports to Mali and transport goods from Mali back to our port for export. And so we discussed how we can remove the challenges so that it's easy for these drivers who are involved in the transit of goods to be able to do their work without any problems.
Penny Abediache, Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman, se konya ye kode atia ema yetetia wonfa ahudie so no yennu ho papa djuma kakra ka ho a wose yetumi ye na yesisa de na no kwan International Women's Day celebration a course on crime and odin semi etuja.
We must choose to end all forms of violence against women and girls in whatever form it may take, in whatever rationale we can profess for it, whether human trafficking, domestic violence, accusations of witchcraft, and the resulting instant justice.
Wade ni nsem tu dwawie no openi ono na da Ghana Bar Association anu efiagate enso de tu dwa se
lawyers ne bebre no yende ye ma enkrofo pro bono services kana yenka but we bisa lawyers ne bebre a cases bi wo ho a lawyers na kra na etua ho transport inti yende ye wo ho nyame na dom wahwe ye ma yenso ya lawyers nti yenso ekwan bi a ye befa so ye de aboa obi a wakọ hia mu a ohia legal help no yenso ye beboa.
International Women's Day no CBA no chairperson no Electoral Commission Jemensan so as kwanya ye befa so na gender equality semma so ye bedi akotene e wo miamia hodo mu no eno so yenya nu ho esa nti ebra no so sa wo se mamma so yedimu akotene pa yie netumi aboa mo man chekere no akonkan
enkrata abato commission antitreni Jean Mensa edibetu dwaya no wobo emabaso International Women's Day ena wodi abasobo kese ema adwumayefo a ewo Electoral Commission nyina se watimi esinkete ede wo hofama eboa ama asoyi adwumaye akoso hwemu se wo mu adwuma wo mu ye ne yie nti aboa makabima menka bia mamu ekoso enkanka ene adwuma wo ye no penima boso de toso enso afempinu ne aduonu nan abato no emu afenso onkrata ne mo kire se Ghana akona nimpa esanse o hwe omanya mamumu a ema edimu ententemen ye no so ebo kwan bi ato honum amanchirima nanso wo kiremu a efa baabi wo no mu a ema enti be mo nwura ho ne senti eho beyin asesa meamea ewo oman na mamumu nyina no obetimi amakwan ne ma etimi aboawura ho ebi ene yi a oman Ghana wo ampanya be de echa wo ye obayi ogidi yese oman Ghana betimi akonanim ye beboa ama manso empuntu ode to ka bi wonfo ne abanpanimfo anim se bebi bia ahunya se wo ba edna no eto ensem bi mu a eyeyie no oma woni mema nyina akwanya koro no asebe ya obetimi asima no anemu
yejina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no hana brema kwan na no pe ye de asie wadaroma ye kwaba de wonkrata no ene online de no atwoso ye nche ye kwaba